Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a lemon. So to start off with our lemon, we want to begin over here. Now they have a little bump that kind of comes out on each side. So right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go out, and then it's going to go down, and then kind of curve back in. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to come down right to about here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. Just draw a line that's just going to go down, and this one's going to kind of go over and then curve up to about here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out, and then it's going to kind of curve down. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little kind of curved line just for the little bump that's on the end. Then right over here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve out, down, and then it's going to come back for the stem. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out to here. And then I'm going to start here and draw a line that's just going to curve right up to here for the leaf. And then I'm just going to draw a line right down the center. Then right here, I'm just going to add some little dots onto the lemon just to give it a little bit more of a realistic look. You can just kind of put these all over, put some closer together if you want to. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of a broken line right around the bottom, just to give it a little bit more detail. Now, I have the actual lemon drawn out. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you guys how to draw a slice of a lemon. Now, this is something that my students always have trouble with. Now, when drawing a slice of a lemon, what you want to do is you just want to draw a little line at an angle like this. And then what I'm going to do is underneath here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around, kind of like a big smiley face. It's going to look like a big open mouth. Then, starting at the top here, I'm going to draw another smiley face that goes all the way around. And then right in the middle here, I'm going to make a little smiley face right in the center. Then I'm just going to draw some lines that just go all the way to this bigger smiley face shape. And I'll put one more right there. And then I can fit one small one right there. Then to make it even look a little more realistic, I can start here and draw a line that's just going to kind of curve right around to there. And this way you can kind of show that the inside of the lemon has all these different lines and everything in it. That's something that my kids always have trouble with when they're drawing these in class. But there you go. There is your drawing of a lemon and a little lemon slice. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.